Hey there, design enthusiast. Lulu here. Are you ready to transform your compact living quarters into a hub of modern style and comfort? Join us in the fourth episode of our series where we turn tiny spaces into trendy sanctuaries. In this episode, learn the secrets to using color and texture to give your living room depth and vibrancy without overwhelming the space. Whether you are in a dorm, an apartment, or just looking to downsize your living space, this episode is packed with inspiration and actionable tips to elevate your home's aesthetics and functionality. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe for more innovative home styling tips. Your support helps us bring more great design ideas to life. Prepare to be amazed by the endless possibilities of small space design. Let's make your living room a testament to the phrase, less is more. Stay tuned for more episodes and join our community of home design lovers. Let's create something beautiful today. Incorporating modern design elements into small living rooms can transform limited spaces into stylish and contemporary heavens. One of the key principles of modern design is the emphasis on clean lines and minimalism. By selecting furniture with sleek profiles and avoiding overly ornate details, you can ensure that the room feels uncluttered and spacious. High-quality materials such as metal, glass, and wood are essential in achieving a sophisticated and durable aesthetic. These materials not only add a touch of elegance but also contribute to the longevity of the design. Geometric patterns are a popular trend in modern decor, often seen in rugs, throw pillows, and wall art. These patterns can add visual interest and depth to a small living room without overwhelming the space. Metallic accents such as brass or chrome fixtures can introduce a touch of luxury and reflect light, making the room feel brighter and more expansive. Additionally, glass elements like coffee tables or shelving units can create a sense of openness and transparency, further enhancing the perception of space. Mixing and matching these modern design elements requires a thoughtful approach to maintain a cohesive and visually appealing space. For instance, pairing a geometric pattern rug with glass coffee table can create a balanced contrast of textures and materials. Similarly, incorporating metallic accents through light fixtures or decorative objects can add a layer of sophistication without detracting from the overall minimalist theme. Insights from interior designer emphasize the importance of personalization in modern design while adhering to modern principles. It's crucial to reflect individual tastes and preferences. This can be achieved by incorporating personal mementos, artwork, or unique furniture pieces that resonate with the homeowner's style. Functional considerations such as multipurpose furniture and smart storage solutions ensure that the room remains practical without compromising aesthetics. Ultimately, the goal is to create a living space that is both stylish and functional, tailored to the lifestyle and personality of its occupants. In the pursuit of crafting a modern living room within limited space, the choice of color palette and lighting plays a pivotal role in transforming the environment. A thoughtfully selected color scheme can significantly affect the perception of space, making it appear more expensive and inviting for small living rooms. Light and neutral colors, such as white, creams, soft grays, and pastels, are highly recommended. These hues have the innate ability to reflect light, thereby creating an airy and open atmosphere. By leveraging the reflective property of these shades, the space can feel less confined and more welcoming, while a predominantly neutral palette is advantageous. Incorporating accent color adds depth and personality to the room without overwhelming it. Accent colors can be introduced through accessories such as cushions, rugs, artwork, or even a single picture wall. When selecting accent colors, consider shades that complement the neutral base, thereby maintaining harmony within the space. The key is to strike a balance. Use accent colors sparingly to ensure they enhance rather than dominate the environment. As I said many times in our previously uploaded videos, lighting is another crucial element in maximizing the potential of a small living room. Natural light is the most effective way to enhance the sense of space. Therefore, maximize any available natural light by using shade curtains or blinds that can be easily drawn back. Mirrors can also be strategically placed to reflect natural light, further brightening the room. In addition to natural light, a well-layered lighting scheme is essential. Overhead lighting such as ceiling fixtures or recessed light provides general illumination, while task lighting like floor lamps or table lamps offers focused light for specific activities. Accent lighting, including wall sconces or LED stripes, can highlight architectural features or artwork, adding visual interest and depth. By thoughtfully combining a light color palette with a strategic lighting plan, a small living room can be transformed into a stylish and spacious haven. The integration of these elements not only enhances the aesthetic appeal, but also significantly improves the functionality and comfort of the space. In the realm of modern living, especially within the confines of small living rooms, multifunctional furniture has emerged as a key player in creating versatile and stylish spaces. These innovative pieces of furniture are designed to serve dual or even multiple purposes, providing both aesthetic appeal and practical utility. Incorporating such furniture can dramatically transform a cramped area into a well-organized and chic living environment. When it comes to maximizing the functionality and aesthetics of small living rooms, creative storage solutions are essential. One effective approach is integrating built-in shelving, which can seamlessly blend with the room's architecture while providing ample space for books, decorative items, and personal belongings. Built-in shelves are particularly useful for utilizing vertical space, turning otherwise underutilized areas into practical storage options. Floating shelves are another excellent option for small living rooms. These shelves can be strategically placed to keep everyday items within easy reach without occupying valuable floor space. They come in various designs and finishes, making it easy to find style that complement your room's decor. By choosing a minimalist design, you can maintain a sleek and uncluttered look even when displaying multiple items. That's a wrap on Small Living Big Style episode 4, New Modern Living Rooms with Limited Space. And just like that, we've reached the end of another exciting episode where we've embraced the elegance of modern living within the cozy confines of limited space. We hope you are walking away with a treasure trove of ideas to bring style into your small living room. Today's takeaways: space-saving wonders. Remember, the right furniture can make or break your space. Choose wisely. Color and light. They are your best friend in creating the illusion of a larger room. Personal touches. It's the little things that make a house a home. Your unique flair is priceless. A big thank you. We want to extend our heartfelt gratitude for joining us on this design journey. Your enthusiasm and support make small living big style a reality. Stay connected. Keep those comments coming. We love your feedback, questions, and stories about how you've transformed your space. Looking ahead, don't miss our next episode. We where we'll tackle the bedroom. It's going to be cozy, functional, and also stylish. Support the series. If you enjoyed this episode, please give us a thumbs up. Share with your friend and consider subscribing if you haven't already. Further inspiration. For more design inspiration, check out our playlist of previous episodes and our recommended reading list in the description below. Until next time, keep dreaming big and living small. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode of Small Living Big Style. Bye now.